Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye. Hello, my people. I want to make my lasagna. This one my lasagna. I want to show you now Saturday do my lasagna. This one you can do different ways. Now you can do one. But the way we meet say they do one, I'll show you now. Now see. I'll show you now. So this is the lasagna don't cut down. So I'll put water. I want boil am. You leave am make boil. I want use that to do garden egg. This one, see how you cut down. You see how you put water. As me tell they do my own now. I want show now. So put water. You go full am. You go full. Let am full well. So you go cover am. I want use that to do garden egg. You know, say this one might be my lasagna. So as me tell the do because if you do a many way now you take you feel cook a stew. No say so you both they do their own now they'll come cut and put for inside. You feel still fry am, then come put stew on top, then put formaggio. Formaggio now that one the one where they put on top. They still they eat am like that. If you do a many way, but I mean they do one like this. If I want use am to eat yam or plantain, they like am like this. My children don't like am. My husband like am well also. So if I do and finish, I'll see am. So I'll put am, not they put salt, nothing, just boil am. You go boil. I'll still show now if you don't boil as I'll tell do am. So the next now I want come boil meat. So I don't put am for gas now. So I will leave am make boil well. So when it go boil well, go done. Then before I go comot am, I will still show you if I dey comot am. So that's why I take they do my lasagna. So I will leave am like this. Make boil. So the next step now the meat where I want boil. So this one I'll boil am part. I'll boil this one part. I'll let am done well. So that one and the lasagna, that one still there they boil. When I see the egg. When I saw you now the hear noise. Now if they cook for kitchen. That one where they take the hair where they come up for what you they put where they take and go outside, so now they make noise. You see the lasagna, and they press and they go inside. You know, say it's full, so you go they boil. So you leave and make boil, leave and make done. You know, say the back of the lasagna, you know, say strong well. So just leave and make boil. It will come be like something way black when don't done. When it don't done well, it will come be like something way black. All of them will be like waiting black. So just leave and make just the done for them. This one is the meat where they boil. Hello my people, see the when I see the lasagna, not see it don't boil. So I'll come turn the water come out. Now see now, it come black. So I don't turn the water. I'll leave and small, make the all water remove. Now see small water still they come out. So I'll leave and make all the water dry come out. Then I'll come match and that I'll come press and I'll still show now if I see they do that one. So I want to leave and small, make all the water come out. And people want to sorry if you know they hear noise. I know same. You go come as aspirator. So this one are the onions with pepper where I cut. So I'll come put it like this. I'll fry and small. And the meat where I boil, because when you boil the meat you come out am, because you don't put the water for inside the lasagna where you cook. You just boil am, remove the meat, throw away the water. You don't need the water. So I'll leave am make just make burn small. Not be say make it burn, make it just soft. Make the onion soft small. So see the lasagna. You see am. I don't press and I don't match them. See as it come be. I know they use machine to they mash them because it go too match too much. So I'll just use something which I get for and match and see. So see the onions with the pepper don't soft. They don't dey for fire. So I can put the lasagna for inside. I don't see the many before when you go come burn, you go come small. So if you want to do one, you do as if you buy a many. Because if you buy maybe small, when you don't cook them, you go come small. And you know cover them. You don't leave them like that. You know they cover them. You know, say the lasagna don't already done when we cook them. So now small, now just maybe 5 to 10 minutes just to leave them for fire. Then the meat don't already done also. So all the meat now you put them inside. Without not put any water. If you use any meat, take one. Even fish, as you like them. Then you put all the meat for inside. Now see as I dey do am since I not add any water, nothing, no water dey go inside. This one na be our garden egg. The lasagna, no, not the lasagna. That be the garden egg. Then you put salt, maggi, everything. Just leave am for 5 to 10 minutes, just to make everything take catch am. Then before you go off am. Then now I don't do this one. Now I want make I want make plantain. I want cook plantain. So when you finish, I will show now. Put on for plates. Then I will see them. Hello my people, wanna see the lasagna done ready with my plantain. Wanna come join me? Food is ready. From Untouchable Mama, remain blessed my people. One love, one love. Well, bye bye.